think I want you with me once around 1 week. And I want you to be my one and all, my one and only.
Hi guys, so really quick intro. Welcome to my channel. Hi, if you're new here, hi, my name is Diane. I create fashion, lifestyle and beauty content. So today we are going to a Ukrainian salon to do my hair. Yeah, to do my hair. I took out my braids yesterday, guys, because I was tired of my braids, so I decided to take them out, and I really wanted to wash my hair, so I thought it would be a really good idea to go to a Ukrainian salon and do it, because I was even out of shampoo and out of every other thing. So it just came to my head, and I texted a salon yesterday that I found on Instagram. So they said they're going to be available today by 3. The time is currently 12:30, but I'm going to have lunch first and then I'll be going to the salon. I'm really excited to see how they're going to do my hair today, guys. I just practiced in 2 buns, but yeah, I'm really excited to see what they're going to do. I think they're actually not going to do a bad job, to be honest. I know that my hair is natural and all, so I actually want to see how they're going to handle the hair. But yeah, I think I'm going to straighten the hair, wash it, straighten it, and then curl it. So yes, anyway, my taxi is already downstairs waiting for me, because I have to go and eat first of all before going there. So I'll see you guys when I get there, and I'm going to be vlogging with my phone as well, because I can't carry my camera. It's just going to be a lot, so I'm going to vlog with my phone. So yeah, I'll see you guys. Bye.
2,000 years later.
just finished. It's currently 6:25 p.m. I got here by like 3, like after 3. I just finished, guys. I don't know. It's been a while since I've seen my hair like this. Like, I've never straightened my hair since I started doing natural hair. Yeah, I don't think I have. So last time I saw myself like this was like when I was relaxing my hair. But yeah, I'm finally done. I'm heading home. I'll catch you guys later. Actually do look different. I actually do look different. Like,
Hey, speak to me kindly. I'm the type of girl you call wife.